Do you have an eating disorder? There's Emma. Do you know anyone with an eating disorder? What? Never mind. How do you say so skinny? I eat a quarter of this a day. Oh no, I'm out of hair! How long have you been standing there? I want to ask you a few questions. So will you answer my questions? Yeah. That's not good.
What do you want to be like? I want to be like Paris Hilton.
So why do you want to be like Paris Hilton?
Because she's skinny and everyone likes her.
But that's not a natural look.
Yeah, but she's noticed.
Go. Eating disorders can seriously harm your health.
Oh crap, I recorded it.
Oh crap. Press that in and that's it, recording now.
Okay.
Go. Take a step to the left. Take a step to the right. Put your hands on you.
Well, I think this is recording.
Dancing funky, dancing funky, dancing funky. 2.5, 2.25, go. Hey guys, can I ask you a question a second?
Okay.
When you leave school, what do you want to be?
I like animals.
What about you, Coyley?
I want to be a doctor because I like helping people.
30 seconds. Go.
What happened?
No, wait.
You can stop people from having children. Children.
Would you like now?
What if I just do it again now? Eating disorders can seriously destroy your health.
I just realised I've been videoing your leg.
Hey, you told me the bird. Nice. Oh, I don't need to do it. But eating disorders can seriously harm your health.
How?
I don't know. You want to be like Paris Hilton. You want to be like Paris Hilton. Avoid this that way. What was your dance?
Was it a video?
Yeah. What are you, a mole?
Wondering.
Say hi.
Bye.
I need to know.
Fair
You
enough.
see me?
No, I see you. Wow, it's magic. Hmm?
Up there. Still taking a video, man.
You look at it. Rare.